Once you are done with your 500 interviews, you are going to start noticing that what are your strengths, what are you really good at, what is your purpose. And once you find out your purpose, stick with that. If you want to solve water crisis, if you want to solve energy crisis, if you want to work for animal humane society, whatever your purpose is, stick to that, because now you have already become a small influential person in the industry, and people have started listening to you, and now you are easy to be given interview to, and people are going to say yes to you more easily than others. So stick to your purpose, and that is going to give you massive wisdom, massive knowledge, massive sea of wisdom and knowledge, and you are going to become the key person of influence. And this is the same model that Sir Rehan Allahwala has given in the course of how to solve any problem using internet. You can go to this video on Udemy and you can do the entire course. The basic purpose, the basic way of solving any problem in that course as well is through interviews. So interview is your basic line of action. Just follow it, find your purpose, and stick with it.